I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a question from Test 2015 Linear Systems, Grade 10. Two friends met after school to read the book they were assigned in English class that day. Malik can read 1 page per minute and had already read 20 pages. Sam can read 4 pages per minute and had read 5 pages. Eventually, they had read the same number of pages. How many pages had each of them read at this point? Solved by graphing. So what we have here is two friends reading a book, and their reading speed is given in pages per minute. So when it is pages per minute, number of pages read is dependent on time in minutes. So along the x-axis, we'll take time in minutes. And along the y-axis, we'll take pages in numbers. Now let's decide about the scale. Malik can read 1 page per minute and had already read 20 pages. Sam can read 4 pages per minute and had read 5 pages. So to start with, Malik read 20, Sam read 5. So let's take multiple of 5 along the y-axis, right? So we have 5, 10. Let me say this is 10. 15, 20. 25, 30. 35, 40 pages, correct? So that is the number of pages along y-axis, the dependent variable. Independent variables is in minutes, so let's take in minutes. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me write 5 here. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, that's fine. So each division is 1 minute along the x-axis. Now let's try to sketch graph for each. Malik can read 5 pages per minute. So that is the slope, right? And had read 20 pages. That is y-intercept. When t was 0, starting point, number of pages read by Malik is 20. So we start with 20. And it is 1 page per minute. So the scale is 5 minutes. So 5 pages in 5 minutes. Okay. So these 5 pages in 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get a point. So next 5 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So that means we have 2 points. Right. Rather 3 points. We can connect them and draw a line. This linear function represents the pages read by Malik. Now let's see how many pages Sam is reading. Sam can read 4 pages per minute and had read 5 pages. So the starting point is 5 and can read 4 pages per minute. Now now since we have taken 5s, so greatest common, we should say the common multiple between Sam's reading pages, which is 4, and with the scale of 5 should be 20 in how many minutes? So Sam can read 4 pages per minute. 20 pages means 5 times in 5 minutes. So 20 pages in 5 minutes, right? So starting with 5, 20 more will make it 25 in 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get to the same point where Malik was. That is interesting. Let's join this. So initial 5 and then next 5 minutes 20 pages. That makes it 25 pages. We'll connect these and draw the lines, right? So we have 2 linear functions. One for Malik, one for Sam. So this one is for Sam. The other one is for Malik. Clearly, they intersect at t equals to 5, right? And the total number of pages at this stage read by both of them is 25, correct? So how many pages had each of them read at this point? So both had read 25 pages, right? So that is the answer, and it took them 5 minutes. Okay. In such questions, especially when you are sketching a graph, it is important to see what is an independent variable, what is dependent variable, and what should be the scale, right? So we are actually sketching here number of pages with respect to time in minutes, right? So that is the scale, and that is how we can solve such questions. I hope that helps. Thank you.